You all know that when we moved in, we had dark brown granite countertops. And so that was one of the first things that we wanted to change. And I absolutely love my new countertops from Bedrock Quartz. But before I reveal the entire kitchen to you, I have to show you what it looked like before. The countertops were extremely busy and it was very intricate. It had a lot of designy elements and scrolls and things like that. I definitely wanted to modernize the kitchen, but I didn't want it to lose its traditional, timeless feel. So the plan of attack: remove the countertops, replace the backsplash, and also remove some of the design elements in the cabinetry. The color that I chose is called Chantilly Lace, and the brand is Honstone. I recommend Bedrock Quartz and Honstone 100%. I would use them both again, and I hope that you will give them a chance.